drowning. You're just washing. Hang on. Put a little bit on his little face. Oh. Put a bit on his little back. Just a tiny bit, a little bit, not much. Tiny bit. That's enough. Come on. Come on.
Look, are you recording this,
You're
Daddy?
going to be all nice and clean.
Why are you recording
You're going to be a clean guinea pig. Look. Clean. Oh, that's nice and clean.
And you look so furry.
And you're going to smell pretty.
It smells like fruit.
It smells just like fruit. Actually, it's just a bit more. Come on. Okay, that's a good one. On your back. Oh, clean boy.
Can you let him go?
Wait a minute.
He's terrified.
Yeah, but you've got to get him clean. Okay. Just sit like that. Oh, that's a good clean boy. Oh, there you go. Clean. There you go. Finished. Look how dirty that water is.